Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenDots ONE earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Hisense Fire TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we should do is put these earbuds into pairing mode. Both the buds are in the case. I'm going to open up the lid here. I'll know it's in pairing mode if the light here is blinking green, orange, green, orange. However, mine's a solid green light and then it turns off. So for myself, let me manually put this into pairing mode. If I look on the back of the case here, there's a little round button here. What I want to do is press and hold that button and wait until it starts blinking green, orange, green, orange. So the button's here, ready, press and hold, keep holding, wait, oh, there you go, green, orange, green, orange. Go ahead and let go. Now it's in pairing mode. Now shoot over to your TV and just go directly to your settings. You can click on the home button on your remote and just navigate to that gear icon all the way to the right. And once you're there, go ahead and click on down. And then we want to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices right there. Let's select that. Now go all the way down and select other Bluetooth devices. And then you can see I have other earbuds and headphones already paired to this phone, but we're going to go ahead and add these here. So we're going to go down to add Bluetooth devices right there. And now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode, which is like 30 feet Bluetooth range that's near me. Okay, so these are still in the pairing mode and it already did find the open dots right there. It's already highlighted. Let's go ahead and OK it on the remote. And you can see it connected here with the solid green light. So it's connected down there as well. And you can see if you go to the open dots, you notice connected up here too, because it says select to disconnect. So you know that you're connected. Like if I went down to these ones, these open fits, it's press select to connect, okay? So anyway, if you guys had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you could always factory reset these as well. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.